G'day Australia, I'm Coram E. Behind me is the amazing Pipistrel Alpha Electro all-electric aircraft. It's an amazing trainer aircraft and it's an amazing recreational aircraft. It's got a flight time of about an hour, perfect for recreational or trainer flying. A nice recreational flight, you can rip around for an hour, experience the sky in a very beautiful way. Land at one of our remote charging stations, recharge, fly for another hour back to your destination and enjoy a really beautiful zero emissions aviation experience in a really modern aircraft that's quite excellent to fly. No chassis vibration, very quiet, very powerful, all brand new carbon composite airframe. A really nice flying experience. Now, this video in particular is to invite new syndicate members to own more aircraft like this. So what we're doing in Australia is we're bringing in more of these aircraft. This is our first trainer and demonstrator model. We're so happy with the performance that we've ordered another 2 aircraft. This first of the aircraft is a syndicate owned aircraft. So we've imported the aircraft and then immediately sold it to a syndicate of members. I'm one of those members, so I'm a part owner of this aircraft and I fly it recreationally as well. Now some of those members are recreational pilots which will access and fly the plane sometimes. Some of those members are just passive investors who have invested part ownership in this plane so that they can enjoy a passive return from it. Now we've ordered another couple of aircraft and we have a few others scheduled in the coming months as well to bring to Australia. Electric aviation is going to go very strong and very hard in Australia and it's going to grow very big very quickly. Of that we have no doubt. As soon as people fly this plane, they're immediately converted to all of the advantages of electric aviation, and the lower cost is also very attractive. So we're very, very confident in the rollout of the aircraft and the network. What I'm looking for now, this video is inviting more members to become syndicate owners and enjoying our syndicate owners, our micro investors that have all taken part ownership in this plane and some of the upcoming planes. We're already building the next 2 syndicates and we've got a couple of members on board already. So I'm inviting you, anyone from all walks of life, whether you're interested in learning to fly and access the plane more cheaply as a syndicate member, or whether you're looking to just have a nice micro passive investment in the electric aviation revolution, we've got packages to suit you. Packages from $5,000 gets you an investment in the aircraft. You're a part owner of a plane. Then you've got access to fly it at a reduced rate, or you can just enjoy your passive investment and watch the revenue and return grow as we put this plane to work, and it will be operating for recreational hire and in flight schools. So we keep the planes busy for you, and your investment you get to see some activity on, and you can follow it on social media platforms. It's a bit more tangible than just looking at your share portfolio, right? You get to see the aircraft. You can come and visit it on open days. You can come and fly in it. If you don't want to learn to fly, you can just still come and enjoy a trial introductory flight. You can still get some interaction with your investment and with your asset. Then there's much bigger investment slices available for you as well if you wanted to be a much larger part owner in the aircraft and access it at an even cheaper rate. Again, for regular aviators, this is the perfect syndicate member level. We've got multiple tiers and levels that you can come in and invest at different amounts to suit your interaction with the plane, whether you just want a nice passive investment or whether you want to fly it quite regularly. So have a look at the links below. There's a link in the comment section below here direct to the syndicate member page of the website, which explains this in a little bit more detail. And we'd love to have you as a syndicate investor in one of these new aircraft, and love to have your support as we build and grow the electric aviation revolution here in Australia. There's a lot of work to do, a lot of aircraft and a lot of infrastructure to acquire and grow and develop. And for that, we're going to need contributors and supporters. We need you to help us build the electric aviation network here in Australia and to help us grow the electric aviation revolution. So thank you so much for watching. Thanks for your interest so far. I hope you can be a part of this, and I'd love to be sending you some pretty excellent quarterly reports showing you the amazing returns on your planes. So get on across the website, register your expression of interest. We want you in a syndicate, and let's build the electric aviation revolution here in Australia together.